Hello and welcome to Miss Carla's classroom. Today we're doing the sound which is made up of a T and a H together. And whenever you see them next to each other in a word, you say It's a little bit tricky to say this sound. You need to stick your tongue out a little bit and it's very, very quiet. Now let's learn some words. Everybody give me a thumbs up. Thumb. Now we have an animal that looks like a butterfly, but it's called a moth. Moth. Inside your head is your brain, and you use your brain to think. Think. In our picture here, we have two books. The first book is very thick. It has lots of pages. Thick. But the second book is very thin. It doesn't have many pages at all. Thin. Everybody count to 3 with me. 1, 2, 3. 3. Whenever there's a storm outside, you might see some lightning and hear some thunder. Thunder. Can you think of any other words I've forgotten? Now let's practice writing the letters T and H to make the sound. We say down the tail and across, down the horse, up over his back, and flick for the letter H. Can you write some with me? We say down the tail and across, down the horse, up over his back, and flick. How many can you write? Let's practice writing some words. The 3 words I'd like you to write are think, with, and cloth. Think, with, cloth. See how you go. Try your very best. Here are the answers. Let's see how you went. Think. Think. With. With. And cloth. Cloth. Great job, everybody. If you would like the free full lesson plan for the sound that we did in this video, then make sure you click the link in the description below. There are a lot more activities on there that you can do with your children at home or at school. Make sure you subscribe to Miss Carla's classroom. I'll see you next time for a new sound that we can learn together. Bye for now.